Hey, hello guys. I hope you guys are doing great. This is my first deal. I'll be uploading deals pretty often, so I want you guys to see this deal. It's pretty sweet. This is the impact driver. This is the fuel version. So that means that it's the M12. It's a little tiny one. It's really useful, especially for tight spaces. And the price today is pretty good. It's actually $99. Used to be $149, and it comes with this battery. It's a 2.0 battery, amperes battery, and also comes with the charger and also with this little bag. As I said, it's a really good tool, especially if you already have this type of batteries. You can sell the battery and the charger and the bag and just keep the tool. And for all that, maybe you can get like even sell everything else for like $50 maybe. It really depends on where you sell it, but I think this is a pretty good deal if you can get it. I'm gonna post the links in the description so you can buy it if you want to. Hopefully you found that this one was a good deal. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other deal that I have for today. The other deal, this one, is a laser distance measurer. It's for, you can measure up to 65 feet, which is pretty convenient. You don't need to carry around the tape and, like, especially for long distances, it can be a pain. The regular price for this one is $50, and now it's on sale for almost $30. So I completely recommend it. You can pick it up. You can order it online. You can see here, like, there are a lot of features that it has. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep uploading deals hopefully every day. So give me a thumbs up if you really like this deal, and if you want me to keep uploading more videos, subscribe with the little bell so you can receive a notification. Okay, see you guys.